If you're working on documents like magazines, ebooks, reports, or any multi-page designs using Layout Studio, you might want to add page number. And this is how you can do it. First, make sure you're working in Layout Studio. I already have a document here with multiple pages. To add page numbers automatically, I'm going to use Master Pages. So on the Pages panel, at the top, you can see the Master Pages section. I expand it, then click Add Master. On the pop-up window, I can give it a name and leave the rest as is. Then I click OK. Now I'm editing the master page. Next, I grab the Artistic Text tool or Frame Text tool and click where I want the page number to appear. Most of the time, this is at the bottom corner of the page. Then I'll go to the top menu, click Text, choose Insert, then Fields, and select Page Number. A hash fills in the text. This is a dynamic page number, meaning it updates automatically on every page. I can now style it however I want, change the font, change the size, the color, and alignment. Once I'm done, I'll copy the hash and drag it to the other page. Then I exit the master page and go back to my document pages. Next, I'll go to one of my pages, right-click on it, and hit Apply Master. Select to all pages and click OK. Now you'll see that every page has its own page number automatically. And that's it. That's how you add page numbers in Affinity. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.